Keep that smile on. Unraveling the essence. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase. Keep that smile on. It's a phrase you might hear in everyday conversations, movies, or even read in books. But what does it truly mean, and how can you use it in your own English communication? Let's unravel this together, ensuring you can not only understand it but also incorporate it into your English speaking skills. At first glance, keep that smile on. Seems straightforward, right? It's an encouragement, a request, or advice telling someone to continue smiling. But it's deeper than that. This phrase isn't just about the physical act of smiling. It's about maintaining a positive attitude, staying optimistic, and keeping a bright outlook on life despite challenges or difficulties. It's a reminder that sometimes a smile can be a source of strength, both for the person smiling and for those around them. Keep that smile on can be used in various contexts, making it a versatile phrase in your English language toolkit. Encouragement. If someone is going through a tough time but is trying to stay positive, this phrase is perfect. It acknowledges their effort and supports their optimism. Appreciation. When you notice someone brightening the day of others with their cheerfulness, saying, "Keep that smile on," is a beautiful way to appreciate their positivity. Motivation. In moments of achievement or success, this phrase can serve as motivation to continue in the same positive spirit. Remember, the key is in the delivery. A gentle, encouraging tone conveys the supportive message behind the words. While "keep that smile on" is generally positive, it's important to use it sensitively. Recognize the situation and the individual's feelings. In cultures or situations where emotional expression is more reserved, or in times of genuine distress, the phrase should be used with care. It's always paramount to ensure that encouragement doesn't inadvertently dismiss someone's feelings. Let's see how "keep that smile on" can be naturally incorporated into conversations. Friend 1, "I'm really nervous about this job interview." Friend 2, "You've got this." Keep that smile on. It shows your confidence. Coach, "Even if we don't win, you've all played amazingly." Keep that smile on, and let's show our sportsmanship. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be adapted to various scenarios, always aiming to uplift and encourage. Keep that smile on is more than a phrase. It's a powerful expression of support, encouragement, and positive spirit. As you continue your English language learning journey, embracing phrases like this can enrich your communication, making it more empathetic and impactful. We hope this video has brightened your understanding and inspired you to keep that smile on, both in your language practice and in life. Thank you for joining us today, and happy learning!